Hey folks, short video today, just to show you that I got one of these things. I tried to order one last week and they were all gone. So I looked on my Best Buy website, local Best Buy website. They had one Apple Watch available, and it was this one. It is a 44 or 45 or whatever the new one is size in the Produit Wed. Prodri Rojo, whatever it is. It's not French anyway. So I think I just did French and English. Anyway, let's take this out of the box. I'm going to compare it to this, which is the Apple Watch I've been wearing. This is an Apple Watch 4. Apple Watch Series 4 versus Apple Watch Series 7. Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. If you would like to come back again and get more commentary and Apple and Android tech stuff as well as audio tech stuff, then this is the place to be. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, so when there are new videos, then you can check them out. PainfullyHonestTech.com. Go over there to sign up for my mostly weekly newsletter, and follow me on the social medias that are right there. Yeah, there they are. Follow me on the social medias and come and join the wizard squad, the wizard land. Anyway, of course, we've got box, and it's red and it's in relief. Maybe it's red on the inside. I can't tell just yet. Here we have some new funny handles that you used. Oh man, it's not even sealed. It's just like folded in there. It's like a origami. Look. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it's embossed. It's not punched through. So there's the box, all in one piece, origami like. We'll throw that over there. And here we have the interior box. That is two boxes. So we've got a Produit Wed. Why do I keep saying that? Why do I keep saying? I'm sorry. I'm not going to say it anymore. We've got a Product Red Apple Watch band, and of course we have the Product Red Apple Watch. So is there just going to be a watch in here with no band on it? Is that what we're getting? It's been a while since I bought an Apple Watch, obviously. So let's go ahead and take this thing off. Whoop. And this thing up here. Whoop. I miss plastic. I miss the plastic. And then we'll turn it back over and boop. Huh. It is just a watch. Right there. What's this? So we've got some materials. We've got Product Red watch garbage. It's all garbage. And then in here we have our Apple Watch charger. I have a MagSafe charger for my Apple Watch, so I'm not going to do that. But then we have the Apple Watch itself. Okay, so we're going to take that out. We're going to put it right here. And then we're going to close this box back up. And we are going to close it. Close! And then we're going to throw it over there. Okay, so here we are. Product Red Apple Watch, still in some sort of paper covering, 45 millimeters. This one is 44. I'm not sure if that refers to the watch itself or the like the screen, but we'll find out. Okay. In the meantime, I guess we should go ahead and open up this. We get some more unspectacular tabs to pull. Well, maybe just one, actually. One unspectacular tab to pull. And no logical way to... I think I see... there we go. Yeah. Okay. So we then pull, and we got more paper junk. We've got how to put the band on, and we've got the band. And the band, of course, comes with a shorter one and a longer one. And I, of course, have giant wrists. So I will need this, and I will need this, and this can go in the filing system. Now, we have this. Yeah, so which way do we go? Do we go this way? I'm so glad. I just got done trying out the Galaxy Watch Classic 4, and putting bands on that thing was no fun whatsoever. I think this is going to be easier if we take off this paper. So let's go ahead and do that. Where do we... do I just have to rip it? I don't want to rip it. Apple, you just made me, like, appreciate all of this packaging. Okay, no. Well, yeah, it's ripping. Ripping. Great. That totally screwed up the entire unboxing process and made it miserable. So, thanks, Apple! So, I think it goes this way, right? So it slips in, simple like so, and then it slips in, simple like so. Watch, I'll have gotten it backwards. Did I get it backwards? I don't know. Pull that off there. And then, no, I didn't. Or did I? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. See, it goes like this. And yeah, see? Giant person wrists. Giant person wrists. And, I hate the sport. I hate the sport. That's no good. Come on, man! Give me a break here. I'm scratching up the watch and everything else. All right, there. 3. Hopefully get that down to 4 sometime soon. Okay, so enable zoom. Okay. Zoom enabled. So now it wants me to pair with the phone. Phone. Okay. There we go. Continue. Set it for myself, of course. Yeah, da 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 dee 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 whoop. Hello. I am positioning. There we go. Your Apple Watch is paired. Setup as new because so here's the thing. I don't really use the Apple Watch for much compared to other people. I use it for tracking my health because I'm getting old and I need to be more healthy. I use it for that. I use it for the time, of course. I use it for notifications, of course. There are certain things that I use it for otherwise, but for the most part, like I'll show you the watch face that I typically use. This is the watch face I typically use, or some permutation of it. We've got weather. Of course, I need to know the weather. We've got time. We've got date. We've got how much I've moved. We've got set up like... We've got a 10-minute timer because that's how long I write in the morning. And then we've got like a workout deal. And I'm supposed to be editing right now. So workout, walking, or, just indoor walk, outdoor walk, all that kind of stuff. I don't do too much besides walk. So that's what I use it for. Now, the decibel meter, as you can see, I like the decibel meter because it shows me how loud I'm talking and how loud my surroundings are. So 80 decibels is about where it turns to yellow, and 80 decibels is about where I mix when I'm mixing music. So I try to go ahead and keep the music at 80 decibels. Now, why do I use 80 decibels? That's a good question. Why do I mix at 80 decibels? Very good question. The answer is this. 80 decibels is loud enough that all the sound, if you have a well-treated room, all the sound should be hitting your ears about how it should sound. And it's not so loud that certain frequencies will sound louder to your ears than they really are. So, if you're mixing music and you want to be sure that you have a good reference point, 80 decibels is a nice place to start. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. It all depends on everybody else, but 80 is kind of the thing. Okay? Okay, now I'm gonna set this thing up. I'm gonna do a bold. Ooh, bold. Maybe the bold text. My eyes aren't what they used to be, people. So maybe I'll try bold. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Apple Watch passcode. I'm not gonna add a passcode right now because passcodes annoy me. Blood oxygen. Let's enable that. I need to know if there's oxygen in my blood. Keep Apple Watch up to date. We'll do that. Continue that. Always on display. Yeah, never had that before. Never had an always on display before. So that's cool. And then I'll install all the apps. I've tried both of these, but I like this one. And getting to know your watch as my Apple Watch is syncing. So there's all kinds of tips and tricks and all kinds of things that you need to know. So there we go. Now, the Apple Watch. Apple Watch is syncing. Of course, I got product red because red is one of my brand colors. And actually, this is pretty sweet. I do have one of the sort of strappy, more sports strap, I think they call it. I do have a red one of those. I'll have to see if it matches. But I was afraid that this would be too red. I don't think it's too red. What do you think? Is this too red for the Painfully Honest Tech Apple Watch? Let me know down in the comments. Anyway, I'm excited to do a little bit of back and forth between these two guys. I'm excited to try these two out. Now you can see this Apple Watch Series 4 has been with me since the early days. It's got a little scratching around there. The band, I like these ODU green nylon bands. It won't work with this one, I don't think, but I like it. So once this thing gets set up, I'll start using it, and then I'll come back with a full review. But so far they look about the same in terms of the size, but I haven't seen the screen yet. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Too red? Too expensive? $430 expensive for just the GPS model, whereas I could get, for the same money, I could get the Galaxy Watch Classic for the same money and have the cellular. So GPS only. I never really used the phone function when I had a cellular one. So anyway, thanks so much for being here. If this is your first time, please like, subscribe, bell notify yourself so you can come back and enjoy some more Painfully Honest Tech. Otherwise, check out links down in the description below for merchandise and for the things that I use to make these videos, as well as other videos that you might want to check out. And there'll be a video over there. No, there. Yeah, over here. That will show you something that you might want to watch after this video is over, which it will be right now. Once again, my name's Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech, so honest it hurts. Until the next time, I am out.